Subjunctive mood, subjunctive triggers. What are subjunctive triggers? And how do we use them? Stay tuned and find out. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about subjunctive triggers. Let's get started. The subjunctive mood in English is often triggered by verbs and expressions that indicate the subjunctive mood. Things like a wish, a proposal, a suggestion, command, or requirement, or an imagined situation. These things show the subjunctive mood. However, this video is about triggers, not mood. So if you want to learn about mood, watch this video first. The link is also down in the description below. Okay. When a verb that triggers the subjunctive mood appears in the main clause of a sentence, the verb in the subordinate clause takes on the base form of the verb. Always the base form. Let's look at an example. I suggest that you watch this video until the end. Thank you. Suggest. This is our trigger verb. It shows us that this sentence uses the subjunctive mood, and the verb is in the base form. This phrase is the subjunctive trigger. I suggest that. And watch is in the base form. You watch. But if I say, I suggest that she watch, it's the same. He watch, it's the same. Tim watch, it's the same. Sam watch, it's the same. So never an S or an ES at the end of the verb. To spot the subjunctive, look for the following signals or triggers. The use of certain verbs like suggest, recommend, wish, require, ask, insist, demand, prefer. Or the use of if to denote hypothetical scenarios. Think second conditional. Or use of phrases like it is important that, it is essential that, or it is necessary that. Adjectives like important, essential, necessary, when we use them in phrases, indicate subjunctive mood. Okay, so these are called subjunctive triggers. But what is a subjunctive trigger? Well, a subjunctive trigger is a phrase or verb that is commonly used with the subjunctive mood. Subjunctive triggers show you when you need to use the subjunctive mood. They trigger the grammar of the subjunctive mood, and this is the base form of the verb, always. By recognizing these phrases and verbs, you can more easily identify when to use the subjunctive mood in your writing and in your speech. Okay, let's talk about some common triggers that indicate you should use the subjunctive mood. It's important that. It's important that all employees be at the meeting on time. Subjunctive trigger. Subjunctive mood. Always in the base form of the verb. It's necessary that. It's necessary that management provide refreshments and breaks during the meeting. Subjunctive trigger. Subjunctive mood. Okay, I suggest that. I suggest that those refreshments be coffee and tea. Subjunctive trigger. Subjunctive mood. Base form. Next one. I demand that. I demand that everyone turn their cell phones off during the meeting. Subjunctive trigger. Subjunctive mood. Base form. Next one. If only. If only the CEO were not sick at the moment. We could really use his advice. Subjunctive trigger. Subjunctive mood. This is past. It's a conditional. So we use were in the subjunctive for second conditional. Next one. If I were. If I were to inform the workers of our recent success, everyone would demand a raise. Subjunctive trigger. Subjunctive mood. Okay. It is essential that. It is essential that the presenter conclude the meeting by 5 p.m. Subjunctive trigger. Subjunctive mood. Next one. I wish. I wish the CEO were not sick today. He needs to approve the budget. Subjunctive trigger. Subjunctive mood. Also a conditional. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something, and share this video with a friend. Subscribe to the channel as well. My name is Liam, and this is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.